Stinging snot bombs, graphene from trash in a flash, coronavirus creature feature, and sweating robots. Cool.
It's 4 awesome discoveries you probably didn't hear about.
Swim near this species, the upside-down jellyfish, and the water alone could sting you. Now, scientists know why. When agitated or feeding, upside-down jellyfish release clouds of toxin-filled mucus. Researchers discovered the mucus contains gyrating balls of stinging cells dubbed casiosomes, released from clusters on the jellyfish's frilly oral arms. Casiosomes sting swimmers, but also kill prey. Watch what they do to brine shrimp in just 60 seconds. The team has already discovered casiosomes in other closely related jellyfish species.
Say it with me now. Banana peels build buildings. Chemists have discovered a way to convert just about any carbon source, including food waste, coal, and plastic, into graphene, the strongest material known. 10 milliseconds later, you've got a material that can be used to strengthen concrete, reduce manufacturing costs, and decrease environmental impacts. Could also be used to improve plastics, paints, metals, and more, all while decreasing our carbon footprint and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Like I said, banana peels build buildings.
The original source of the virus causing coronavirus disease 2019 is believed to be bats, as in some other coronavirus pandemics. Now, a new study finds that the fierce immune responses that allow bats to host viruses without getting sick may in turn drive those viruses to spread more quickly inside them. So when the viruses jump to other mammals with average immune systems, including humans, they wreak deadly havoc. The researchers infected bat cells with virus and matched their experiments with mathematical models. The models show this faster spread rate countered by the bat immune response. Next step, a more formal model of virus evolution in bat immune systems to better understand the pathology upon spillover to other animal and human hosts.
What happens when a bot gets too hot? System shut down. Researchers have found a new way to cool a robot's motors and more. Imitation perspiration, sweating. The team created robotic fingers from 2 hydrogel materials that contain water and cool quickly. When the temperature goes above 86 degrees, the base layer automatically shrinks, squeezing water to the top layer. That layer has tiny pores that dilate and let out some water, which evaporates, taking heat with it. But would all this robo-sweat make the hands too slippery? Researchers are now working on surface mods, fingerprint-like ridges to get a grip on the problem.
And there you go, 4 awesome discoveries with funding from NSF.